Starting with the little color of the inside, I'm using this brown. You can see this. Oh, it's beautiful. You see how creative this world is. And then I'm gonna have, some many more. Then I'll be using so just like this beautiful sunflowers, you just need to bloom. You just need to keep on shining. You just need to keep on moving. Doesn't matter how much pain, how much suffering you go through. Just like, think about like the way our mother, she keeps us in her womb for 10 months, 10 days. So whatever she is doing, if she is going through happiness, we feel it. If she is going through pain, we feel it. If she is going through suffering, we feel it. Everything inside that womb as a child, we can feel. So can you believe how hard it is for a mother to save that little child inside her womb from all her negativity, all her emotions from this world? And I'm gonna be also using the green stem. As holding, this is the way she holds us. She protects us. So as a human, as a being conscious human, we should understand how important for us to respect just not only mother, to respect the women, to see them as equal human on this planet Earth. There should not be any differences, any discriminations. So now I'm gonna add one more. You see, there's one. It looks like the brown, inside the brown of this, yeah. Creativity is something, there has no limit. Anything it's in your mind, you just need to bring it. So a lot of time, we always hear about men and women, gender equality. We all speak about, well, what is women and who is man. But as when the man, if they think that they came inside from the woman's womb, her mother's womb, right? So why did he need to see other, women different? Just she's gonna be a mother again. She's gonna be a mother of his child one day, right? So there should not be any of this inequality, just comparing men and women. They're all same. We are all same. We just need to shine. So you see the yellow moon, so bright, always looks for sun. And then I'm gonna also add this part of the green she's holding. Looks bright, right? I'm gonna add one more here. Easy. So just every human being, I've noticed the later part of their life, they always think about their mother. They always respect mother because mother is the source. So if you're respecting the mother, why don't you respect the overall mother? That is the universe, that is all the women, right, in this world. So now I'm gonna be adding some more of this. Wow, look at this, gorgeous, beautiful. If you can see the light, wow. Let's see, this is the mystery of this nature. All women go through this mysterious experience. Not only women, just any living creatures, they always go through this mysterious experience. Now I'll be adding one more of this. Wow, how many sunflowers I have. And then this is the color. That's the light of love, promise, hope, can name anything, right? Yeah, I have a little bit of, needs to be more yellow there. Wow. And then that's the stem. There you go. And I'm going to add one more of this. So it's gonna be on this side. Let's see. And then this is her beautiful floral, her yellow aura going everywhere, spreading light, spreading. And then the green. There you go. Wow. And in the middle of all of this is the sun, right? Who is the one to show the guidance, the path. So I'm gonna add a beautiful sun here, a soul power. I'm gonna make it really, really vibrant. There you go. See the color? A light. I probably need to add some orange, red here. So I'll be adding some orange color.